e-learning with Anu. I hope you all doing well. Today I will discuss most important government schemes and its implementing ministries and the department. This is part 1. I also discuss part 2 in the later video. So guys, this content is really important. In this video I will provide 50 government schemes with its implementing ministries and department, and the other part, that is part 2, I also provide 50 more government schemes with its implementing ministries and the department. In this video I am providing this content in the form of tabular form, so this content is really important and interesting. I try to deliver you the content which are very important, so subscribe this platform so that you can see the new content which I'm providing to providing to this platform. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe this platform. Do check my description box where I'm providing the name and link of other platform. Join that platform, because in that platform I'm providing the content which is in the form of images, post and short videos, and my other platform is Deep Quite also, in which I'm providing some deep thoughts, so join that platform also. So now I'm starting the video. Please comment on the comment box how you like this video, how you like this presentation, because this presentation requires a lot of hard work, so do comment on the comment box. So let's start the video. So there is a table in which I am dividing into 3 parts. First, there is a serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 50. In the second column, I am providing government scheme heading, and the third column I am providing implementing ministries and the department. So this is very important. So watch this video till end. So first is National LED program, that is Ujala. उजाला स्टैंड्स फॉर, सो उजाला की मैंने स्पेलिंग जो है उसके जो फुल फॉर्म है वो आपको बताई है. उजाला स्टैंड्स फॉर उन्नत ज्योति बाय अफोर्डेबल LED फॉर ऑल. सो दिस स्कीम इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पावर. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Power. Move on to next scheme, National Mission of Green India. So National Mission of Green India is implementing by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So guys, मैं अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आप लोगों को एक एक स्कीम या जो भी इनमें से इम्पोर्टेंट, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, उससे रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड करूँ, सो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं. मैं उससे रिलेटेड नई वीडियो बना दूँगी, बट वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग हो जाती है अगर मैं एक एक गवर्नमेंट स्कीम से रिलेटेड आप लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन बताती. सो इन दिस वीडियो मैंने बहुत शॉर्ट में आप लोगों को जस्ट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम और वो गवर्नमेंट स्कीम कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री या डिपार्टमेंट इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं, जस्ट ये बताया इस वाली वीडियो में. ठीक है, सो थर्ड वाली स्कीम देख लेते हैं, डिजिटल इंडिया. इट्स इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय डाइटी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. कई बार ऐसी स्कीम्स जो हैं आप लोगों को नेम से ही पता चल जाता है कि वो इम्प्लीमेंट मिनिस्ट्री कौन सी कर सकती है, तो एक एक वर्ड को बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना. मूव ऑन टू फोर्थ, पहल. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Okay, so move on to next slide में फिफ्थ है EBs. So EBs is implemented by Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion and second Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So दो मिनिस्ट्री जो है इसको एक डिपार्टमेंट है और एक मिनिस्ट्री है जो कि इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करती है. एक है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी एंड प्रमोशन, DIPP, and the second one is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Move on to sixth, that is Pragati. Pragati full form is proactive governance and timely implementation. So it's implemented by Prime Minister Office, that is PMO office. Okay. Move on to seventh scheme, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. So this scheme is important and this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Finance. Move on to next, eighth, Mission Indradhanush. So Mission Indradhanush is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Move on to ninth scheme, Janani Suraksha Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. I hope आप लोगों को अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो रही होगी. Move on to next slide. 10th scheme is राष्ट्रीय आरोग्य निधि. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Move on to 11th, Mudra Bank and Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Finance. 12th scheme is National Rural Health Mission. So National Rural Health Mission is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 13th scheme, Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 14th scheme, Khelo India. Khelo India is implemented by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. I hope you are understanding the points. Now move on to next slide. 15th scheme is Sagamala scheme. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Shipping. Next, 16th scheme Atal Pension Yojana. This scheme is important. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Finance, administered by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Move on to 17th scheme Amended Technology Upgradation Fund scheme. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Textile. 18th scheme National Ayush Mission. So National Ayush Mission is implemented by Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 19th scheme Housing for All by 2022 mission. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. So मैं आप लोगों को schemes वो वाली provide कर रही हूँ जो 2021 और 2020 से related है. बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स है. स्कीम से रिलेटेड गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में, वेरियस गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में आपके पेपर्स में आते ही क्वेश्चंस हैं कि कौन सी स्कीम किस मिनिस्ट्री ने इम्प्लीमेंट करे, कौन से डिपार्टमेंट में आती है. सो दिस वीडियो इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ये 2020 से 2021 तक की है और ये आगे भी चलती ही रहती है. सो आपको एटलीस्ट ये पता होना चाहिए कि दिस स्कीम इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय विच मिनिस्ट्री. ओके, मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. 20th राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना. दिस स्कीम is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Earlier it was under Ministry of Labor and Employment. Means this scheme is earlier under Ministry of Labor and Employment, but now this scheme is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 21st scheme is Bharat Mala project. Bharat Mala project is implemented by Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. Move on to 22 Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This scheme is also important. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation and Ministry of Urban Development for urban. ठीक है, ग्रामीण के लिए है Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation and for urban Ministry of Urban Development. So this scheme is important. Move on to 23 Ajivika National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Rural Development. 24th Smart City. Smart City is implemented by Ministry of Urban Development. Okay, move on to next slide. देखते ही देखते अब हम 25th scheme पे आ गए हैं. So I hope you like this video and watch this video till end. Move on to 25th Integrated Power Development Scheme. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Power. Move on to 26th scheme Startup India. Startup India is implemented by DIPP, which I told you earlier, and the second one is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. 27th Mega Food Park Scheme. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Food Processing Industries. 28th National Investment and Manufacturing Zone. This is implemented by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Okay, move on to 29th Pradhan Mantri Khanji Shweta Kalyan Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Mines. Move on to next slide. That is 30th scheme Ishan Vikas. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Now move on to 31st National Skill Development Mission. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. 32 Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana implemented by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. 33 scheme Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Rural Development. Next 34th Sabla Rajiv Gandhi Scheme for Empowerment of Adolescent Girls. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development. गर्ल्स से वुमेन से रिलेटेड जो भी स्कीम होती है वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हमारी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट में आती है. ठीक है, तो ये शॉर्ट सी ट्रिक थी. Move on to next, that is 35th Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Power. 36th Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Rural Development. Next 37th Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana implemented by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Next Nai Roshni Scheme implemented by Ministry of Minority Affairs. Next Amrit, that is Atal Mission for Regeneration and Urban Transformation. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Urban Development. Move on to next slide. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में 40th इज गंगा ग्राम योजना इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज. नेक्स्ट 41 रूरबन also called Shama Prasad Mukherjee our urban mission, so is implemented by Ministry of Rural Development. Next, Prasad pilgrimage regeneration and specialty augmentation drive. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Tourism. Next, 43rd digital Goda Gudi board implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next, integrated child development services implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Okay, move on to next slide. Manrega is also important, so this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Rural Development. Next, 46 Hidayat National Heritage City Development and Augmentation Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Urban Development. Next, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. Next, 48 Indira Gandhi Matritwa Sahyog Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next, 49 Nai Manzil scheme. So this scheme is implemented by Ministry of Minority Affairs. So अब हम अपनी लास्ट स्कीम पे आ चुके हैं, लास्ट स्लाइड पे आ चुके हैं. सो लास्ट 50th इज बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ स्कीम. सो दिस स्कीम इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Human Resource Development. So बहुत सारी मिनिस्ट्रीज जो हैं इस स्कीम को इम्प्लीमेंट करती है. सो अगर जैसे कोई भी जैसे 3 है, अगर उसमें से 2 आ जाता है, 1 नहीं आता या 1 आ जाता है, तो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए ये ऑप्शन आ सकता है. सो आपको पूरी मिनिस्ट्रीज पता होनी चाहिए कि कौन सी स्कीम की कौन सी मिनिस्ट्रीज जो है वो इम्प्लीमेंट करती है. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क से बनाई गई है. सो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा कि आप लोगों को प्रेजेंटेशन कैसी लगी, कंटेंट कैसा लगा. मैं आप लोगों को पार्ट 2 बहुत ही जल्द प्रोवाइड करूँगी. तब तक के लिए आप पार्ट 1 देखिए. कमेंट बताइए मुझे कितने आपकी सही हैं, कितने आप लोगों को स्कीम्स आती थी और कितने आप लोगों को आज नई स्कीम पता चली है. दिस कंटेंट दिस स्कीम इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो स्किप मत कीजिएगा ताकि मैं आप लोगों को पूरा कंटेंट प्रोवाइड कर सकूँ. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है. सो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बहुत ही जल्द. टिल देन बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे, कीप लर्निंग.